Hello and welcome to the Let's Learn English with Sanjana. How are you all? Hope you're doing great. In this video, I am going to share present tense, like present simple tense sentences and present continuous tense sentences. If you watch this video, so you will able to use helping verb of present continuous tense, like is MR, where we use. So I used so many sentences, like conversational sentences. So you just try to understand and make your own sentences by yourself. Okay, so really it will going to be helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for latest update. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start.
सो फ्रेंड्स, जब भी प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस की बात होगी, मतलब कोई भी काम हो रहा है प्रेजेंट में, सो हम आईएनजी का यूज़ करेंगे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ. ओके, और इसकी हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती है इज़ एम आर. ओके, इज़ यूज़ करेंगे हम सिंगुलर के साथ, जैसे ही, शी, इट. ओके, या भी किसी का नाम हो. और आई हमेशा एम के साथ यूज़ करेंगे, और आर जो है वो प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ यूज़ करेंगे हम, जैसे कि यू, वी, दे. ओके, सो ये सब प्लूरल है, इनके साथ हम यही यूज़ करेंगे आर. ओके, सो लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. प्रेजेंट सिंपल. इट रेन्स हेयर एवरी विंटर. इट रेन्स हेयर एवरी विंटर. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस. इट इज़ रेनिंग नाउ. इट इज़ रेनिंग नाउ. ओके, सो रेन के साथ हमने आईएनजी जोड़ दिया. ही वाटर्स द प्लांट्स एवरी मॉर्निंग. ही वाटर्स द प्लांट्स एवरी मॉर्निंग. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस. ही इज़ वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स नाउ. ही इज़ वाटरिंग द प्लांट्स नाउ. ओके, सो next I'm going to tell you present simple. He practices piano daily. He practices piano daily. Present continuous. He is practicing piano now. He is practicing piano now. Okay, so next is present simple. You ride your bike every afternoon. You ride your bike every afternoon. Present continuous. You are riding your bike now. You are riding your bike now. Now next is present simple. I am watch movie in Friday, or you can say I watch movie in Fridays. Okay, so present continuous. I am watching a movie now. I am watching a movie now. Next is present simple. He types email daily. He types email daily. Present continuous. He is typing an email now. He is typing an email now. Okay, so type के साथ हमने ing जोड़ दिया तो टाइपिंग बन गया. प्रेजेंट सिंपल. वी लर्न इंग्लिश एवरी डे. वी लर्न इंग्लिश एवरी डे. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूअस. वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश नाउ. वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश नाउ. हम अब इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, राइट. सो प्रेजेंट सिंपल. I drive to work daily. I drive to work daily. Present continuous. I am driving to work now. I am driving to work now. Next is present simple. You sleep late on Sundays. You sleep late on Sundays. Present continuous. You are sleeping now. You are sleeping now. Sleep is an action, so that is why we use ing. Okay, present simple. He cleans the house every Saturday. He cleans the house every Saturday. Present continuous. He is cleaning the house now. He is cleaning the house now. Next, present simple. She dances gratefully often. She dances gratefully often. Present continuous. She is dancing gratefully now. She is dancing gratefully now. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you next. Present simple. I help my parents sometimes. I help my parents sometimes. Present continuous. I am helping my parents now. I am helping my parents now. So, next is present simple. She cooks dinner every evening. She cooks dinner every evening. Present continuous. She is cooking dinner now. She is cooking dinner now. Or if you don't want to join now, so you just cut it. Okay, present simple. He listened to music. He listened to music. Present continuous. He is listening to music now, or you can say he is listening to music. That's enough. It's totally up to you. Present simple. You work hard every day. You work hard every day. Present continuous. You are working hard now. You are working hard now, or you can say you are working hard. Okay, now का मतलब होता है अब. Present simple. I read books every night. I read books every night. Present continuous. I am reading a book now. I am reading a book. You can say like this also, as I told you. Okay, so now next is present simple. They play soccer on weekends. They play soccer on weekends. Present continuous. They are playing soccer now. दे आर प्लेइंग सॉकर नाउ. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होगा कि अब वो खेल रहे हैं सॉकर. ठीक है. सो प्रेजेंट सिंपल. यू सिट इन द गार्डन समटाइम्स. यू सिट इन द गार्डन समटाइम्स. प्रेजेंट सिंपल. Present continuous. You are sitting in the garden now, or you can say you are sitting in the garden. You are sitting in the garden. Present simple. We watch TV every evening. We watch TV every evening. Present continuous. We are watching TV right now. We are watching TV right now. ओके, अगर आप उसी समय देख रहे हैं, कोई पूछे क्या कर रहे हो, सो यू कैन से वी आर वॉचिंग टीवी राइट नाउ. प्रेजेंट सिंपल. शी कुक्स ब्रेकफास्ट एवरी मॉर्निंग. शी कुक्स ब्रेकफास्ट एवरी मॉर्निंग. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. शी इज़ कुकिंग ब्रेकफास्ट नाउ. शी इज़ कुकिंग ब्रेकफास्ट नाउ. अब वह खाना बना रही है, मतलब नाश्ता बना रही है. ब्रेकफास्ट यानी नाश्ता. प्रेजेंट सिंपल. वी क्लीन द हाउस एवरी वीक. We clean the house every week. Present continuous. We are cleaning the house now. We are cleaning the house now. Or you can say we are cleaning the house. We are cleaning the house. Present simple. She writes letter often. She writes letters often. Present continuous. She is writing a letter at the moment. She is writing a letter at that moment. Okay, so friends, this was the short video. You can do your English speaking practice as much as you can. Okay, so if this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Okay, so thank you for the watching. Namaste to all of you.